Today I'm mocking up some intercooler piping for the K PRIUS. So I'm just gonna show you what I've done. Keep in mind, most of the stuff I'm doing, trying to find like materials around the shop, so that way it'll save on the cost. So we're gonna take the bumper off. Sorry, I don't have a tripod because I'm just starting off. But there's a plastic clip right here. This one right here, and these two on the top of the bumper. And then you got two 10 millimeters that hold it here and here. And then on the side, there's a 10 millimeter here, plastic clip right here. Underneath here, just two 10 millimeters on this side. This one right here, and then the plastic clip right there. And right now it's loose and ready to come out. To remove the bumper, you have to unplug a plug that's right here, which is this plug right here. And then there is a little windshield wiper squirter for the headlights, which you have to remove from right here. And then the bumper's off. So I made some room in the front, moved the air temperature sensor right here, and I think this intercooler that I got is gonna work really well. Got plenty of space. I just need to make a mount that mounts these three top bolts apart, welded to this radiator support since it's aluminum. And then on the bottom, I'll just make a bracket that comes out, and I'll weld it right here and then bolt it on. But I think this is gonna work out perfectly. This intercooler's not rated for a lot of horsepower, but I think it should handle that 5 to 550 I'm looking for. And it's gonna go out right here, go around, go into this channel right there, and if you can see the piping that goes from the throttle body ends right there. And then I'll just use this spot right here to go up, and it'll go straight to the turbo right there. So yeah, it's gonna work out great. We're starting to build the intercooler piping that goes from the throttle body around and into the intercooler right there. As you can see, here's the throttle body, and it works its way down, and it's gonna go out. We're gonna do a 3-inch on that side. It's gonna be 3-inch, and then it's gonna reduce down to a 2.5, and the turbo side is gonna be 2.5 inch. So we went 3-inch on the cold side, 2.5 inch on the hot side, and it comes out right there underneath the bumper support. Just waiting on a reducer right there. It goes underneath here, right there, and routes out through the inside here. So I got a 90 down there, and it goes to the throttle body up, and then this side goes up to the turbo. Of course, I'm waiting for a reducer here as well, but you see it pretty much lines right up there. So intercooler piping is mocked up. I just gotta go through and TIG weld all the connections. So I got the pipe welded up. Looks pretty decent. I ain't saying I'm the god of welding, but turned out okay. And then we're gonna go through, and I have the other piping set up in the bead roller, the Harbor Freight bead roller I have on a stand here. And see this piping too, it's all welded. Welded okay. I don't know what's in the material on this pipe, but didn't weld that great. But yep, we're gonna roll the bead at the end of this one. This one has it already. I tell you, bead rolling by yourself sucks, but I got it done. So here's the bead that I rolled on there. Not too bad. weld. Alright. It's all done. It's all welded. Now I'm going to go clean it, and we're going to put it on the car permanently. Alright guys. Now that I got the piping fitted, it looks pretty damn good. Intercooler mounted. I went through and I shaved the inside of the bumper where it was needed, which wasn't very much. It looks pretty good. Routes through here. This is gonna go like that, so no interference at all. Inside here attaches to the BMW charge pipe. It's gonna have a 50 mil throttle or blow off valve right here. I'm waiting for my reducer that goes to the turbo. Got the downpipe made. Gotta finish up the rest of the exhaust system. Figure out how I'm gonna run the wastegate. But she's coming together, man. She's gonna be running coming up soon here. I'll tell you, looks like a stock Prius with wheels. It's gonna surprise a lot of people. I'm excited. Excited to go out and troll on some faster cars. I want to tint the windows dark so they can't see who's inside here. But yeah, man, she's coming together. It's looking good. Turbo looks really good in there. Sits really well. Has a lot of room. A lot more than I thought. But it looks like it's meant to be in there. It looks like it's meant to be part of this car. Damn, it looks good.